We have WASSCE February 2025 core mathematics paper here. Let's go through the questions and solve them. So we have question number 1, we have question number 2, and we have question number 3, question number 4, then finally question number 5. So if you want us to solve, we are going to solve the first 5 questions in this video. If you want us to solve the remaining 6 to 13 questions, then subscribe to this channel now and share this video. So the first question number 1 says that the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression are x plus 5, 13, and 5x minus 3. Find the value of x. So we know that for an arithmetic progression, the constant difference will be the subsequent term minus the previous term. So we have 13 minus x plus 5. We can also find the common difference or the constant difference using this term and this one. So we get 5x minus 3 minus 13. So these two common difference should be the same. So it means we will have 13 minus x plus 5 being equal to 5x minus 3 minus 13. So we have 13 minus x minus 5 is equal to 5x minus 16. So we can group the terms. So we have 13 minus 5, that will give us 8. So we have 8 plus 16 is equal to 5x plus x. So we will get 24 is equal to 6x. So dividing through by 6, we obtain x to be equal to 4. Therefore, the value of x is 4. That is the A part of the question. The B part of the question says that we should find the 22nd term. So as at this point, the first term will be x plus 5. So the first term is x plus 5, 4 plus 5. The next term is 13. Then we have 5 times 4 minus 3. So the terms will be 9, 13, and 20 minus 3 is 17. So it means the difference is 13 minus 9, which is 4. And we know that for an arithmetic progression, the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So the a is what we got here, which is 9. So we are looking for the 22nd term, so n will be equal to 22. So we have u sub 22 being equal to a, which is 9, plus 22 minus 1 times d, which is 4. So that will be equal to 9 plus 21 times 4, and that will give us 93. Now let us proceed to the second question. The sum of the squares of 2 consecutive odd positive integers is 74. Find the numbers. So let's say that n is a positive odd integer. Then the next positive odd integer will be n plus 2. And we're told that when we sum their squares, we are getting 74. So we have n squared plus n squared plus 2n times 2. So that will be 2 times n times 2. That's how it's supposed to be. We are expanding this bracket here. Is equal to, so we are going to get plus 2 squared is equal to 74. So we are getting n squared plus n squared, 2n squared plus 4n plus 4 is equal to 74. So we have 2n squared plus 4n minus 70 is equal to 0. So we have n squared plus 2n minus 35 is equal to 0. So two factors of negative 35 that when we add we get 2n are negative 7, positive 7, and negative 5. So we have n squared plus 7n minus 5n minus 35 is equal to 0. So n into bracket n plus 7 minus 5 into bracket n plus 7 is equal to 0. So the factored form will be n plus 7, then n minus 5 is equal to 0. So we will have either n plus 7 equals 0 or n minus 5 equals 0. So n will be equal to negative 7 or n will be equal to 5. Since we are talking about positive integers, we discard n equal negative 7. Therefore, we have n to be equal to 7. And the next one will be n plus 2, which is 7 plus 2, and that will be equal to 9. Therefore, the numbers are 7 and 9. Now let's move on to the next question. A cylindrical iron block of diameter 31.5 centimeters and height 18 centimeters was completely melted. 82% of the melted metal was used to mold a sphere. Calculate correct to the nearest whole number the radius of the sphere. Take pi to be 22/7. So, do you want us to solve this question? Then share this video for me to see and subscribe to this channel too. Thank you. So let's see how we can solve this question. We know that the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared times h, and the pi is given as 22/7. The r will be 31.5/2, diameter divided by 2 squared times 18. I want you to simplify this, and if you do the simplification well, you should get something like 56133 divided by 4. So that is the volume in centimeter cube. Then we're told that 82% of these was melted and used to form a sphere, to mold a sphere. So we need to find 82%, the volume of the sphere. So this is the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the sphere will be equal to 82% of 56133 over 4. And when we simplify this, I know you can do this, you should be able to get something like 2301453 divided by 200. So now this should be equal to the volume of the sphere. And remember, the volume of a sphere is given by 4 over 3 pi r cube is equal to 2301453 all over 200. So we can now substitute pi equal 22 over 7. So we have 4 over 3 times 22 over 7 times r cube is equal to 2301453 over 200. So we can divide through by 22 over 7 and 4 over 3. So r cube will be equal to 2301453 over 200 times the reciprocal of 4 over 3, that is 3 over 4, times the reciprocal of 22 over 7, that is 7 over 22. So r cube is equal to that. So r will be equal to the cube root of whatever is here. R will be equal to the cube root of whatever is here. 2301453 times 3 times 7 all over 200 times 4 times 22. And when we simplify this, we should obtain approximately 14.00, and to the nearest whole number, that will be 14 centimeters. So the radius of the sphere is 14 centimeters. Let's look at question number 4. There are x of red and y number of blue balls, all of the same size, and there is x number of red and y number of blue balls, all of the same size and weight in a box. The total number of balls in the box is 20, and x plus 2 is to 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 is to 5. Find the value of x and y. So since the total number of balls in the box is 20, we have x plus y equal 20. That is our first equation, and we have a ratio here, x plus 2 over 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 over 5. So let's cross multiply here. This will multiply this, this will multiply this. So we have 5 into bracket x plus 2 is equal to 2 into bracket 2y plus 1. So let's expand. We get 5x plus 10 is equal to 4y plus 2. So we have 5x minus 4y is equal to 2 minus 10, which is negative 8. So I can multiply through equation 1 by 5. So if I multiply equation 1 by 5, I will get 5x plus 5y is equal to 100. So when I subtract the two equations, I'll get 5x minus 5x, and then 5y minus 4y will give us 9y. Then 5y minus negative 4y will give us 9y. Then 100 minus negative 8 will be 108. So dividing through by 9, we get y to be equal to 12. So y equal 108 by 9, which is 12. Then x will be equal to, so x will be equal to 20 minus 12, and that will be equal to 8. So we have to find the probability that a ball is selected at random from the box and it is red. So the number of red balls are x equal 8. So probability will be equal to 8 over 20, which is equal to 2 over 5. The probability of red balls will be y is 12, so it will be 12 over 20, which will be 3 over 5. Now let's look at the fifth question. In the diagram, ABCD is a straight line. Angle ABE is 5x plus 10 degrees. Angle DCE is 7x minus 14 degrees. And angle BEC is 2x minus 4 degrees. Find the value of x. So this angle here will add to this to get this. So 7x minus 14 will be equal to 2x minus 4 plus 180 minus 5x plus 10. So we have 7x minus 14 is equal to 2x minus 4 plus 180 minus 5x minus 10. So we will get, we group the x terms. 7x minus 2x is equal to negative 4 plus 14 minus 5x. So there should be 5x here. 5x will come here plus 7x. Then we have minus 10 here plus 180, and then we have minus 10. So 5x plus 7x will give us 12x minus 2x, that will be 10x. And this will give us positive 10, and this will give us negative 10. So they will cancel out. We have 180. So x will be equal to 180 divided by 10, which is 18. So the value of x is 18. Now we're given that M is the midpoint of the line joining P and Q, but the coordinates of P and M are 4, 1 and 3, negative 2 respectively. So we are to find the coordinates of Q. We don't know the coordinates of Q, so let it be, the coordinates of Q should be AB. The coordinates of P, so M is 3, negative 2, and P is 4, 1. So when you add this and this and divide by 2, a plus 4 divided by 2, you should get 3, which is this, the midpoint. So a plus 4 will be equal to 2 times 3, which is 6. So a will be equal to 6 minus 4, which is 2. Then, in a similar way, when you add this and this, this and this, and divide by 2, you should get negative 2. So b plus 1 will be equal to 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. And b will be equal to negative 4 minus 1, which is negative 5. Thank you for watching. Please, if you want us to upload the continuation, then subscribe now. Share this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.